Hi, and welcome. In this video, we're walking through the AI use cases embedded in our unified workspace demo, powered by Wind Integrated Solutions. You'll see 5 purpose-built AI tools, each designed to eliminate a specific manual pain point across HR, procurement, hiring, and document management. Let's get into it. The first tool is the Policy AI Assistant, and it solves a question every employee has at some point. What does our policy actually say about this? Instead of emailing HR or digging through a shared drive, employees just ask and get an instant, accurate answer directly from your company's official policies. Notice on the left, all your company policies are pre-loaded and version controlled. Annual leave, code of conduct, IT security, remote work, and more. The AI reads all of them, so when an employee asks a question, any question, it responds instantly with the correct, up to date answer from the right policy. No more let me check with HR, no more searching through old PDFs, no more getting the wrong version of a policy. This is available to every employee at any time, and it reduces policy related queries to HR by a significant margin. Now, once an employee knows what the policy says, the next step is actually submitting the request. That's where my assistant comes in. Instead of filling out forms or sending emails, you just have a conversation. I simply tell it what I need. It asks for dates, the reason, then generates a full summary for me to review before submitting. My leave balance is always visible on the left in real time, so I know exactly where I stand before I even submit. Once confirmed, the request is automatically routed to my manager for approval. No emails, no manual forms, no back and forth. Next, procurement. If you've ever been part of a vendor selection process, you know how painful it is. You receive 5, 10, sometimes 20 proposals, and someone has to read every single one and score them consistently. The proposal evaluator does that work for you with AI. I upload the vendor proposals on the left. On the right, I select the RFP or even upload the RFP, and the platform automatically loads the evaluation criteria with weighted scores from the RFP scope. I can adjust those weights. If pricing matters more than experience for this tender, I update it right here. I hit Run Evaluation. The AI reads every proposal, scores each vendor against every criterion, and produces a structured comparative report. And from the right section here, you can use the chat agent to ask questions about the proposals or even add different sections in the summary and the report generated. Now, hiring. For any open position, HR teams can receive dozens, sometimes hundreds of CVs. Screening them manually is slow, inconsistent, and exhausting. The talent assessor reads every CV, scores every candidate against your job criteria, and delivers a ranked shortlist ready for your recruiters to act on. I upload the CVs here, I select the vacancy, and the platform loads the scoring criteria for that specific role automatically. I can tweak the weights for a senior role. Technical skills should carry more weight than education, done in just seconds. I run the evaluation, and every candidate is scored and ranked against the job requirements. Recruiters can immediately see the top candidates, why they ranked where they did, and where their skill gaps are. And from the right section here, you can use the AI chat agent to ask more questions about the candidates or even add more details for the report or evaluation. And to wrap up, a tool that cuts across every department, whether it's HR policies, procurement, guidelines, or legal contracts, people spend hours searching documents for a single answer. The Knowledge Assistant changed that. Upload your documents, ask a question in plain English, and get an instant cited answer. I upload 2 company documents. The AI indexes them in seconds. Now I ask my question, no digging through pages, no keyword searching. And look at the response. It doesn't just give me the answer, it tells me exactly which document it came from. Full traceability. No hallucinations, no guessing. You can upload up to 5 documents at once and ask cross document questions. It's like having an analyst who has read everything, remembers everything, and responds instantly. So, you've seen 5 AI use cases built directly into the Wind Integrated Solutions unified workspace. All the tools I have presented in this video can also be implemented in Arabic language. Thank you for watching.